Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful Native American beaded earrings, and for that I have also made a drawn pattern. You can follow this pattern for the color reference. So I have already made one of the earrings of the pair, and I will be making the another one. We will require a needle and thread already passed through it. We will also require beads of various colors. First we will take 4 beads and pass it through the needle. We are going to make 2 rows first. Okay. After you have passed all the 4 beads, okay, now we will be passing the needle through the first 2 beads. Okay, I already made a knot in the thread from the beginning so that the bead does not pass out of the thread. So we have already passed the thread through the first 2 beads. Now we will pass the needle through the bead adjacent to the beads through which the needle came out first. Okay, like this. Pull the beads close together. Now we will pass the needle through 2 more beads. After that, pass the needle through the beads of the adjacent column in this manner. Again, pass the needle through the beads of the adjacent column. I hope you are understanding the technique. I will do this few more times so that you understand it. Pass 2 more needles. Then pass the needle through the beads of the adjacent column in this manner. Again, to secure it, pass the needle through the last column beads. So the technique is you need to pass 2 beads in this manner. Now you will pass the needle through the 2 beads of the second last column, and then again pass the needle through the beads of the last column. In this way you are securing the beads of the last column, and a beautiful row is already being formed. The 2 rows are going to contain 9 columns. After you have completed the 9th column, we will proceed with the 3rd row. Insert the blue bead first, then the black one, and then we will be inserting our needle through the second space from the beginning. Okay. After that, we will turn the row and then we will pass the needle through the black colored bead from below. In this way, we will be securing our both the beads. Now we will pass the red colored bead through the needle. Through the adjacent space, we will pass the needle as shown. After that, we will pass a needle through the red colored bead from the bottom. Now we will take the orange colored bead and pass it through the thread, pass the needle through the space, and then through the bottom of the orange colored bead. In this way we will complete the row. You can follow the graph which I had given in the beginning for the color reference. We will now quickly complete our row. This is our last bead, and then we will pass the needle through the bottom of the blue colored bead. Now again, as earlier, we will move on to the fourth row and pass the blue colored bead and then the black colored bead, and then we will pass a needle through the space that is second from the beginning. We will turn the face of our beads, and then we will pass the needle through the bottom of the black colored bead and secure the first two beads. Then, as earlier, we will proceed with the other beads. There is a decrease of one bead in each row, so a triangular shape is formed slowly. We will begin with the fifth row. Again, insert the blue bead first, then the black one. Then insert the needle through the second space from the beginning, and after that pass the needle through the black bead from the bottom and proceed with the row with single beads. We are going to begin our sixth row. As earlier, we will pass the blue and then the black bead through the needle. We will begin the last row. Pass two blue beads through the thread and pass the needle through the second space from the beginning and pass the needle through the blue bead from the bottom. So our triangle is ready. Now we will take three blue beads and pass it through the thread. Very important. We are going to pass the needle through all the beads in the first, that is all the blue beads, and then through the black beads that are present in the first. Okay. Now we are going to follow this pattern. According to the color, we will pass the beads slowly through the thread. Okay. So for example, in the first row, we are going to pass the red, then 2 black, then 5 blue, then we are going to pass black, red and orange bead, and then 3 blue beads. We will be making a picot with the blue beads. So now we are going to pass our thread through the orange, then through all the other beads till we reach the beginning bead. Pull all the beads close together because this entire thing should be very tight. After that, we will pass our needle through the 2 black beads that is in the previous 2 rows as shown, and after that we will pass the needle through the adjacent to black beads in the next column. Now we will do our next column by following the color graph I had already shown. We are going to insert the beads one by one. Make a picot with the blue beads, that is, pass the needle through the orange colored bead and then through all the beads. In the same manner as the first row, we will complete all the other rows. Pass the needle from the orange bead till we reach the end, and then we will pass the needle through the two black beads present at the top. We are going to begin our last column. As you can see, the design is completely symmetrical and it looks very pretty and very elegant. Planning to do more designs on this Native American beading series. You have reached till the red colored bead. We will tie a knot with the first loose thread that was present from the beginning and cut it out. After that, at the end, we are going to attach the earring hook at the top. Okay, and our earrings are ready. I hope the tutorial was clear to you, and since these are very beautiful earrings but very difficult also, so I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day ahead. Thank you.